Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today we're going to be fixing a laptop fan that is not working. So the customer just brought this laptop, and the laptop is showing a fan warning on the screen. And first of all, I would like you guys to know that the most computer killer, the most dangerous killer is dust. Dust damage computers faster than any other thing. Your laptops, your desktops, and also you have to keep them away from dust. Then you have to blow them regularly to avoid dust accumulating on the fan and the heatsink port. So I've turned on this computer right now. So let's see what this computer will show on the screen. Let me turn it back on. So you can see the laptop is on, but the fan is not warning, it's not working, and you can see there are so many warning signs right there. So we have to check what is going on. So we have to turn the laptop off, then we have to lose the laptop to check the fan and everything. So let's see. So I've turned it off. So now there are so many there are so many laptop specs, and there are so many okay, so we've turned it upside down. There are so many laptop specs as in different models. So each of these laptops has a way of unscrewing them. Some of them you have to completely unscrew it from the top side, then to the back side. Then you have to remove the carcass, then you remove the back cover and all that. But in this case we are using a Dell as an example. So this Dell, I'm just gonna lose it from the back and remove the cover to see what is actually going on with the fan. So let's see. Okay, I've unscrewed the back cover. So that's it right there. So I've unscrewed it, so I'm going to lose all this, the ones that has to do with the heat sinks. I'm going to lose all the screws. So we have to check what is going on. Always keep your computer away from dust, because once the dust blocks the heatsink, you can see this is the fan right here. This is the fan and this is the heatsink. So I'm going to check what is actually going on with our fan, why it's not working. So the repercussion of this is when the dust blocks this heatsink, the heat will be going back to the board. It will now damage the, I'm going to show you something right now. It will damage the GPU chip. So let's remove the fan. Okay, you can see right here, you can see what is blocking our fan right here. You can see it. This is what is blocking our fan. So I'm going to remove this, then I'm going to remove the heatsink and blow it completely. So let's remove the heatsink. So this is the heatsink. So this is the chip. The graphic chip is right here. The graphic chip is right here. It's right here. This is the processor. This is the graphic chip. So once this is blocked, once the heatsink is blocked, the heat will be going back to the board and it will fry the graphic chip. So you have to always make sure you keep your computer away from dust. So once the chip is fried, it may damage the board, or your laptop will be overheating and will be shutting down intermittently. So let's clean this up. Let's clean it up. Okay, so we've cleaned the computer now, so we are running a test. We are running a complete test. We've cleaned the fan, so let's check and see if the fan is now working. Okay, I'm just running a check. So as you can see, the fan is now working. The fan is blowing now. So we've cleaned up the heat sink and everything is now working perfectly. So make sure you stay away from dust and make sure you clean your computer regularly. This is a heat sink port right here. Always check that. Make sure dust is not blocking anything, because dust can damage computer faster than anything. Once the heatsink is blocked and the dust blocked everywhere, the heat will be going back to the graphic GPU unit, and once that is fried, that is the end of the board. So you can see the fan is now running perfectly now. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.